To enable battery saving mode in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate the battery. Now, next step is to click on current mode. This will allow you to change it between performance mode, which consumes more battery, balanced, which tries to balance it out, battery saver, and ultra battery saver. Now you can also see the exact time on how long your phone will be running when you enter one of those modes. Keep in mind that this time can drastically change on what you're actually doing on your phone. So if you have 8 hours now and you open the game, then this time may change. But anyway, to activate battery saver, you will need to click on battery saver right here, or you can go for the ultra battery saver, which changes the entire UI of your system. You'll see it in a moment. As you can see, our UI is entirely different. To exit it, just click on the exit. But this gives you a lot of time for a battery. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.